Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to share your Behance profile link with others. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, direct your attention to the top right corner of your Behance page where you'll see your profile icon. Go ahead and click on it. This action will automatically redirect you to your personal Behance profile page where all your creative work and projects are displayed for others to see. Once you're on your profile page, take a look at the very top of your browser window. You'll notice the URL in the address bar, and this is actually your unique Behance profile link. This URL is what you'll use whenever you want to share your portfolio with potential clients, collaborators, or anyone interested in viewing your work. Simply click on the address bar to highlight the entire URL, then copy it. You can now paste this link wherever you need, whether that's in an email, social media bio, or a professional networking platform. Now, there's also an alternative way to access your profile link if you prefer a more direct method. Hover your mouse over your profile icon again in the top right corner, but this time, instead of clicking directly on it, wait for a drop-down menu to appear. From this menu, click on Settings. This will take you to your account settings page where you can manage various aspects of your Behance profile. Once you're in the settings section, look for an option labeled Behance URL. This field displays your complete profile link in a text format that's easy to copy. To copy it, simply click and drag your cursor across the entire URL to highlight it. Then right-click and select Copy, or use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+C on Windows or Command+C on Mac. Now you have your profile link ready to share with anyone who wants to check out your creative portfolio. And that's it. You've now learned two simple methods to access and share your Behance profile link. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.